Hello everyone, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix maps or not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, firstly you can make sure that you have updated with latest version. So just simply go to settings. Here you can see general, tap on it and you can see software update. So checking for update. If you have any pending update, download and install it and fix your problem. Solution number 2 is just simply go to settings here, and here you can go to general, and here you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset, and now you can see reset all settings. Just enter your passcode. Now you can see reset settings. Tap on reset settings to reset the settings only without losing any data. If this solution is not working, then you check that you have connected with strong internet connection. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can see Wi-Fi. Tap on it, and now you can see Wi-Fi toggle is turned on. Turn it off, and 10 to 15 seconds turn it off on and go back. Here you can see airplane mode. Turn it on and turn it off back to fix your internet connection. If this solution is not working, then you reset the network settings. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can general, tap on it, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, reset, and you can see reset network settings. Tap on it, enter your passcode. Now you can see reset network settings. Tap on it and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is restart your device. So just simply go to settings, go to general again, and scroll up, and you can see shutdown. Tap on it, slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back and check your map is working or not. Go back, check that maps are working or not. So just tap on this, set light mode, and here you can see that map is working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.